So do you experience pain during and after sex? If yes is the answer, then watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And if this is your first time of setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please don't make it the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. So the medical term for painful intercourse or painful sex is Dyspareunia, and this condition is peculiar to both the males and the females. It is basically persistent pain during or after sex. In the females, this pain can be felt around the pelvic region or inside the vagina. And if you are not new on this channel, you remember I've told us that the vagina is not everything you have down there. It is just that hole that aids penetration and even childbirth. While for the males, the pain is usually felt around the testicles or maybe inside the prostate. So what are the causes of this dyspareunia? So the first cause is deep penetration. So deep penetration with either penis or sex toys can actually lead to painful intercourse. So it's best to talk to your partner to let them know the extent in which they can go with their organ or with the sex toys to reduce the risk of dyspareunia. So number 2 is not enough lubrication. So if you do not introduce foreplay before sex, it could lead to pain during sex because your partner is not well lubricated during the act and they might be dry down there. That will cause so much pain for them when you penetrate. So it is best you actually introduce foreplays into your sex routines and even use a lube, because some persons can be on some medications like antihistamines, antidepressive drugs, BP medication. These drugs will literally reduce the mucous membranes in your body, dry you out completely, make you dry down there. So it is best to introduce foreplays and even use lube during sex. So the third cause is rough sexual intercourse. Fourth is forceful sex. Forceful sex can be really painful during the act and even after as well, because your partner or whoever you are going down with does not consent to the act. So please and please, before you go down with anybody, make sure they give you their 100% consent before you do with them. Next is vaginismus. So this is basically involuntary spasm of the muscles of the vaginal wall, and this can make penetration very painful. And then during sex, if this happens, it can be very painful to both the male and the female. So some certain illnesses and conditions can lead to painful intercourse. Examples are endometriosis, uterine fibroid, pelvic inflammatory disease, cystitis, ovarian cysts, and hemorrhoids. So if you have any of those disease conditions, please and please do well to see your doctor who would advise you on the proper medication. So physiological issues like anxiety, stress, depression, all these can cause pain during sex. When an individual is stressed, their pelvic floor muscle tends to tighten in response to the stress they are undergoing, making intercourse painful. So make sure you actually talk with your partner, know if they are stressed, if they are depressed or anxious. Try to allay anxiety, try to look for solutions to their depression and ease their stress before initiating intercourse. So some sexually transmitted infections like gonorrhea, chlamydia, genital herpes or thrush can cause painful sex for both the males and the females. So please and please know your status and treat them as it comes. Meet a doctor who would give you proper treatment. So genital irritation or allergies caused by shampoo, soap, spermicides or even latex condoms can lead to painful sex, because most of this might irritate the vagina, causing inflammation, and once there's inflammation, there is dryness of the vagina, or bleeding after sex. I have made a video about bleeding after sex. I'll link it up here. You can go and watch that one once you are done with this one. In addition to the causes I have listed before, prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate gland in male, can lead to painful intercourse, as well as being sexually aroused without ejaculation. It can lead to pains in the testicle or even swelling. So this is the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, do it to share with your friends and your family. Give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.